So, hello guys. Nobody has joined yet, but here I have some chicken breasts. I have already seasoned them yesterday, and I have some coconut oil in my pot. So, what I'm gonna do is to kind of just lightly fry them because I'm gonna make the Alfredo. Normally, I would do them in vegetable oil, but we have coconut oil on hand right now. So I'm putting in them in the pot. I'm gonna allow it to do its thing. And we're allowing it to do its thing, guys. Yeah. So we already have our macaroni already cooked. So we're just waiting to finish the chicken so we can do the Alfredo. You know? So this is my first time going live, and so I'm excited. I hope at least one person join while I'm on live. That would be nice. We're getting back over the chicken. Is that watching it doing its thing? We're watching it doing its thing. Yeah. I need a ring light or something. A ring light or a stand or something. It would be good to have something to put my phone on so I could be able to do my thing better. But for now I'm gonna just use my hands. So I've seen a few people join my live. Welcome guys. Um, breast coconut oil. That's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna make some Alfredo tonight. I already cooked my pasta